Get fit in weeks with these 5 simple exercises. In only 4 weeks, you can completely transform your body with just these 5 simple exercises. It's not easy to stay in shape. It requires commitment, desire, self-discipline, and consistency. Getting started is one of the most difficult aspects of adopting a healthy lifestyle. Once you've overcome that obstacle, you've done something that most people lack the motivation or perseverance to achieve. Once you begin, the rewards will follow. It becomes very difficult to stop once you start to see the benefits. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and switch on notifications, so you won't miss any of our new videos with solutions like this. To get started, not much is required. For newbies, the first step is to make sure your diet is in order. Like the saying goes, abs are created in the kitchen. Therefore, if you want to shed some pounds and build muscles, you must start with your diet. It's time to get serious about working out when you've established a solid nutritional plan. These 5 exercises are ideal for any novice who is hoping to make a good difference to their lifestyle in just 4 short weeks. They are fantastic if you have been attempting to live a better lifestyle or want to exercise more, but don't really know where or how to start. Remember that each of these exercises has to be performed with proper form to avoid harm. Before continuing, get advice from a specialist if you're unsure how to do any of the exercises or are having problems doing them. Now, continue watching for 5 easy exercises that will completely change your physique in a matter of weeks. Number 1, the plank. The plank is a core workout that builds your back, shoulders, and abdominal region. As a core strengthening and posture enhancing exercise, it is an essential part of any fitness regimen. Additionally, it helps to prevent or lessen back discomfort and enhances overall balance. Having a solid core will help you perform better and more efficiently in your day-to-day activities. Strengthening your core is a great way to protect your whole body from injury while also improving your overall fitness. As a bonus, the plank is great for toning and shaping your abs. To complete a plank, assume a push-up stance on the floor. Put your weight on your forearms while bending your elbows 90 degrees. Aim to position your elbows squarely under your shoulders. Ensure that your body is also positioned in a straight line. Try pulling your stomach in toward your spine to stimulate and hold your core. Beginners should start by holding the position for 30 seconds, and as they advance they should progressively increase the time. Number 2, the push-up. Exercises such as push-ups, which have been around for centuries and are still an essential part of many fitness regimens, should not be overlooked. You may use them to strengthen your forearms, chest, shoulders, back, abs, and legs while working your entire body. They also help to strengthen your core and keep you in better shape. Performing push-ups is an example of a complex exercise, which means it works many muscles at once. Push-ups are fantastic since, like planks, they don't need any specialized equipment. It may be done anywhere, even at home or outdoors. Put your hands on the floor right behind your shoulders to do a push-up. Maintain a straight posture by tightening your abdominal muscles and maintaining a firm core. Lower your body toward the floor while keeping your back flat and straight. Exhale and push yourself back up while maintaining a tight core. As you do the action, make sure your body is moving in a straight line throughout. Do you recognize any of the exercises shown in this video so far? Stay tuned for some other helpful workouts that will get you in shape in a matter of weeks. Keep watching. Number 3, the squat. This complex exercise efficiently targets a variety of muscles throughout your body. Squats are one of the most important exercises for building a strong core, legs, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, hips, and back. Squats are a key workout for building strength in your lower body. Additionally, they strengthen your joints, promote muscular development, and even enhance balance. Squats also strengthen your lower back and core while enhancing your posture. Stand forward facing with your chest up and your feet shoulder width apart to do a squat. Sit down in an imaginary chair by bending your knees and pushing your butt back. Keep your head held high while allowing your back to gently arch, but not round. As low as you can go, crouch down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Make sure your weight is being supported by your heels, and then lift yourself back up into the starting position by pushing through your heels. As you gain strength, you may graduate to adding additional weight to your squats. To begin, only use your own body weight. One of the most significant and beneficial exercise is the squat. It mainly tones your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, thighs, and hips. Make sure you are utilizing the right technique while trying out squats for the first time. To obtain the proper form, think about consulting with a personal trainer. Injuries brought on by improper form might hinder your success in the gym. Number 4, the bird dog. The bird dog, like the plank, this exercise strengthens your lower back and core while also enhancing your general balance. Additionally, the bird dog will strengthen your back, particularly the lumbar spine. It helps to develop your stabilizer muscles and your core. Get down on all fours on the floor and do a bird dog. Look down at the ground while keeping your neck and spine neutral and your core tight. Your wrists and knees should be squarely under your shoulders and hips respectively. Slowly raise your left leg until it is perpendicular to the ground. Never extend your leg higher than the height of your hip. After doing this, carefully raise your right arm while maintaining a straight parallel line with the floor. After a short while of holding the posture, lower your arm and leg. Repeat while using the opposing arm and leg. The erector spinae muscle is the target of the bird dog. This muscle runs the whole length of a person's spine and controls the spine's flexion, extension, and rotation. This exercise also strengthens the gluteus maximus muscles, the upper back's trapezius muscles, and the shoulder's deltoids. Number 5, the glute bridge. The glute bridge is an exercise that works mostly on your glutes, but it also works on your core and your hips. It is essential for avoiding lower back problems. This workout doesn't need any special tools, so you can do it anywhere you like, even in the comfort of your own living room. This exercise can strengthen your lower back and increase hip mobility if you have a desk job and are seldom active or experiencing chronic lower back discomfort. Lay down on the ground face up to begin. Keep your feet level on the ground while bending your knees. Your palms should be facing down and your arms should be at your sides. Lift your hips slowly away from the floor. When your knees, hips, and shoulders are in a straight line, you should stop. Firmly contract your core and your glutes. Hold the posture for a short while before descending. The glute bridge works your adductors, hamstrings, and core in addition to toning and strengthening your glute muscles. Advanced versions of this exercise target the quadriceps, obliques, and hip flexors. Keep in mind that it might take months or even years of dedication and hard work to develop a healthy body and a wonderful overall physique. Try these workouts for 4 weeks to give yourself a head start and see the changes in your physique and strength. You may then go on to the next phase of your fitness journey after this step is finished. Before beginning any new workout program, you should always be sure to get competent medical advice from your doctor. You should also include a proper diet into your lifestyle in addition to this. Your total mental and physical health will benefit from a healthy diet and exercise routine. Consult a doctor to learn which activities are the safest for you to undertake if you have any underlying medical issues or injuries. The most important thing to remember is to stick to your routine, and you will get results. Although you won't see results right away, if you stick to a regular exercise schedule and consume a healthy diet, you will start to notice progressive improvements in both your physical appearance and general health. What additional workouts or activities do you engage in to maintain your health and fitness? Please leave your comments below. Like the video? If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, so you'll never miss another one of our videos.